Hello everyone. Today we will see that the benzene and its derivative, that is the structure. I am going to explain the structure of benzene. So there was a several other structure proposed for benzene, but a much more satisfactory approach became possible when we began to understand that covalent bond consists of pair of electrons shared between the atoms. The difference between the two structures Kekulé envisions called Kekulé structure is only the difference between the location of three pair of electron. Because in that benzene structure, they are having a total number of, that is unhybridized pz orbital containing electron, and total number of pi electron is 6. So that this is exactly the type of situation where resonance must be involved. The hybrid or average of the two Kekulé structure has one sigma bond and one half of a pi bond between each two carbon atom. If in these two structure A and structure B, they are having this double bond, alternatively single bond and double bond also there. This is a alkene because we know that alkene containing double bond character, and carbon carbon double bond character is there, that's why it is an alkene, and each of that carbon containing pz unhybridized pz orbital, and this all the pz orbitals when overlap to each other, then only we will get that pi bond. So in that compound A, that means structure A and structure B, both are same structure, but only that showing that alternative double bond only is there. In case of carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, they are having only single bond. In case of structure B, they are having double bond, carbon number 1 and carbon number, between the carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, they are having that double bond character. Thus, each carbon is joined to each of its neighbor by 1.5 bond. Each bond in the benzene ring has the same number of electrons and is the same length. As we know that in case of your benzene structure, so carbon-carbon single bond length or carbon-carbon double bond length, that is 1.39 or maybe 1.40 degree A. That means all the bond length are equal to each other. It may be single bond, maybe double bond. This picture is in complete accord with experiments which show that all carbon-carbon bond in benzene are the same length with no high hint of shorter or longer bond. That means we know that carbon-carbon single bond length is 1.34 and the single carbon-carbon single bond length is 1.54, whereas in case of benzene the bond length is 1.40. That means it is not a single bond character, that is carbon-carbon single bond length is 1.54. So and carbon-carbon double bond length is 1.34. So this bond length in case of benzene, the bond length is in between the single bond and double bond length. It is also helps explain why benzene does not undergo addition reaction. There are no simple pi bond. That's why it does not gives any addition reaction. Thank you.